Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and if you're not, welcome back. So as you guys can see, today's tutorial is going to be this twist in beads hairstyle. I have done this hairstyle before, so this tutorial will not be super in-depth, but I did want to do an updated one just in case anyone out there is interested. All right, so yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into it. I was really surprised at how soft this product combo made my hair. When I touched my twists the next day, they were like super ultra soft, okay? Like ridiculously soft. If you guys are wondering where I got my beads, I got them from my local beauty supply store. Alright, so getting into the hair, I did start on freshly washed all natural hair. I did not blow dry for this hairstyle. For this hairstyle, I only use brushes. I use a regular bristle brush and I use an edge brush because for this particular style, I prefer when my hair is brushed rather than combed. I find that it makes the hair smoother and my twists just come out neater and cleaner. Also, when it comes to parting, I parted as if I was doing box braids. Even though they are twists, I just find that the box parts make it look really neat, like a feed-in protective hairstyle. So if you are planning to do this hairstyle, make sure to deep condition beforehand, detangle really well because you will not be using any combs. And also it'll make the process go quicker. When you are twisting, make sure you twist as tight as possible. Do not worry about shrinkage because your beads will weigh down your twist and create a more elongated twist. To feed the beads onto the twist, all I did was put the end of my twist in between the bobby pin, and then I stick the beads on the bobby pin and string my hair right through. Once my twist and beads are done, I use the styling foam to set my hair and keep everything in place. This just adds one more layer of moisture and it also helps to manage the flyaways. Alright guys, so here is the final look. Like I said, I have done this style before and it just never disappoints. So compared to the last time I did it to now, my hair definitely has grown. I love that the beads really weigh down the twist so that your hair is really elongated. I just love how different it is, and you guys definitely use the style for your Valentine's dates. You know, it's something different, something that you don't see often. I went to a doctor's appointment and literally got like 5 compliments just walking into the building, okay? So thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope you guys try this style, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.